guys, today I'm making this creamy and delicious Tuscan chicken. I think this is the best way to eat chicken breast. Let's make it. Okay, let's dice half onion. Onion is done. I have 2 big sized chicken breast. I'm gonna cut them in half about an inch or less thick. Then I'm gonna season the chicken with salt and pepper. Honestly, I think chicken breast is one of the most boring meat ever. It doesn't have a lot of flavor, and if you overcook it, it's stringy. But this recipe will give a new life to chicken breast and make it into this fantastic dish. We need half cup of sun-dried tomatoes. The sweet and tartness in sun-dried tomato will add a lot to chicken breast. Heat some olive oil in mid-high heat. And cook the chicken when the oil is hot. If the chicken breast is about an inch or less thick, it takes about 8 minutes to cook, 4 minutes per side. However, we're gonna put the chicken back to the sauce later, so we don't wanna cook it all the way through. We'll cook chicken about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Take the chicken out and set aside. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter and scrape the brown bits. Add diced onion into the pan. Add a little bit more of olive oil. Scrape the brown bits and saute the onion. Lower the heat to low-high, and while the onion is getting cooked, grate parmegiano regiano, about 1/4 cup. Okay, the cheese is ready. Now let's check the onions. Oh, it looks so good. Perfect. Season the onion with salt and pepper. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Oh yes, smells wonderful. Add half cup of the sun-dried tomato with the oil and saute about a minute or 2. This is going to be so great. 1 cup of spinach into the pan. Saute about a minute or 2 until the spinach starts to wilt down. Now 1½ cup of heavy cream. 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Add 1 cup of basil. That fragrance and flavor from basil elevate the sauce to another level. Then 1/4 cup of parmegiano reggiano. It will unite all the ingredients together. A little bit of pepper. Simmer the sauce a little bit. Then let's put the chicken back. Add the chicken juice as well. Then taste the sauce a little bit. Add salt if it needs any. Simmer the sauce and the chicken about 2 to 3 minutes, depends on how thick your chicken is. Oh, it looks so good. The chicken is juicy and the sauce is creamy and rich, and there's this perfect amount of sweetness from the sun-dried tomato complete this wonderful harmony. It is one of the best chicken breast dish. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next video.